Perform voltage drop tests in a circuit by using multimeter.
Hi, I am Charumati. Today we are going to discuss about a problem in a headlight circuit of a car. The car's headlight brightness is not the same. This means that one headlight of the car is bright and another one is slightly dim. Do you know what is the reason? Now let's see how to fix this problem.
You know that proper voltage is needed for the flow of current. Automotive vehicles uses a 12 volt or 24 volt DC. Ohm's law relationship table. When the voltage is up and the resistance is down, the amperage will be always up. Likewise, when the voltage is up and the resistance is down, the amperage will be always up. Similarly, when the voltage is down and the resistance is down, the amperage also will be down. The Ohm's law relationship table shows that the relation in between the electrical parameters like voltage, resistance, and current. It is clearly shown that the resistance of a circuit changes periodically. It affects voltage and also the flow of current. So, if there is any corrosion or unwanted resistance in the circuit, then the voltage in the circuit decreases, and this is called voltage drop. In this demonstration, we are going to learn how to measure the voltage drop in the circuit. The following tools and equipments are required to perform this exercise. Tools required: Trainee's Toolkit, Multimeter. Equipments required: a vehicle in running condition, soft cloth, PPE kit or personal protective equipment, cleaning solution. The multimeter has various options to measure different parameters. They are continuity, DC voltage, DC current, resistance. Mainly, we use the multimeter to measure DC voltage, resistance, and DC current measurements in auto electrical circuit. Multimeter is red and black test LEDs that are required for any electrical circuit test. Usually, red color is used for positive side and black color is used for negative side terminal of multimeter. To measure voltage and resistance, the red color LED should connect with V-ohm port and black color is in COM port. Turn the knob in continuity mode and touch both LEDs pointer as shown. You will get a buzzing sound, means the multimeter is okay. Now turn the knob and set in DC voltage 20 volt range, means we are going to measure 12 volt DC system. The next higher limit in the multimeter is 20, so select accordingly. Now, the multimeter is ready to measure DC voltage and 12 volt measurement. Now, we are going to check the headlight low beam circuit of a car. Before carrying out the test, clean all the terminals and connectors in the circuit to be tested. Check the battery voltage by connecting the voltmeter LEDs to the positive and negative terminals. This is known as battery voltage check. Now, place the red LED on the battery positive terminal and the black LED nearer the positive side of the bulb. Remember, the circuit to be tested must be operating under a load to measure voltage drop. For testing low beam circuit, switch on low beam circuit. Measure the voltage shown in the multimeter. Note down the reading. It should be less than 0.2 volt. Then the circuit is good. Next, test the load. Connect the LEDs as close as possible across the load with a red LED on the positive side and black on the negative side. The voltage shown here is almost equal or slightly less than the battery voltage. Note down the reading on the paper. Now check the ground side of the circuit. Connect the red LED to the negative side of the bulb and black LED to the battery negative terminal. Note down the reading. It should be less than 0.2 volt. If the voltage shown in positive side or the negative side is more than 0.2 volt, it means the circuit has high resistance due to maybe corrosion. Take necessary steps to correct the problem. Use cotton swabs and a cleaning solution like baking soda and water to clean it. If the circuit has more load like fuse or relay, then the voltage drop increases. The table shows the maximum voltage drop in different components. Now, we are going to check the ampere, that is, current flow in a DC circuit. Set multimeter red LED in a port. Remove the fuse in the circuit to be tested. Connect the multimeter LEDs in series with the circuit. Switch on the circuit. Note down the reading shown in the multimeter display. The value shown is the actual current consumption by the circuit.
Thus, we have learnt how the voltage drop test is carried out in an auto electrical circuit. Hope you have a clear understanding of this. Thank you.